Zhongshan Anjielo Smart Technology Company Limited was established in 2020. The company is located in Shirong Intelligent Manufacturing Industrial Park, Tanzhou Town, Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province, covering an area of 3,000 square meters and currently has 50 employees. It is a high-tech company specializing in the research and development and production of artificial intelligence software, hardware development, smart home, smart security, smart visual building intercom, wireless doorbell, Wi-Fi Halow and other security products. The company has a number of invention patents and utility model patents. The products are exported to multi-language markets including more than 20 major countries in the world, including Europe, North America, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. Since its establishment, the company has always adhered to the business philosophy of quality first, technological innovation, and creating value for customers, and strive to create smart home, smart security, safe and convenient high-tech, smart products,